Hello, welcome. This video is all about left, mid, and right function in Excel. So the essence of this is sometimes we'll have text and we really want to extract maybe the leftmost side or in between or within in the middle, or sometimes the rightmost edge of the text. For instance, I have matriculation number here. So here, the very first two character in this text is the entry year. So the departmental ID and the letter will have, for instance, you see EC, ED, and AR. So it's the departmental ID, while the remaining 3 digits is student number. So we are going to use left, mid, and right tools to extract this from this text. To do that is very simple. So all you need to do is, okay, now I want to extract the year of entry here. Now keep the departmental ID here, while the student number will be at the last column here. To do that, let me start with this. I'm going to use, let me type it here, I'm going to use left function here. So I'm going to use mid function here, where I'm going to use right functions here. I think you are getting it. So now to do that, now it's equals to, this cell is equals to left. Left, which text are we extracting from? And how many number of characters. This one is very straightforward, true number of characters. So let's enter. You can see easily it has extracted that section of that part of the text. So I can now drag this one down to repeat it for the remaining process. So that means the very first person entered the school or secure admission in year 2003, while this one it was 2005, and the last person is 2002. So now their departmental ID. So that's what we want to extract now. In order to do that, so where did that started? When you look at it, you have 0, 3 slash 4 slash 5 5 altogether. I think that is 1 2 3 4 5. So that means the middle extraction is that is going to start from the 6th character of the text. So to extract the mid one, we have is equals to use the mid function, which tests the same text. Where we're going to start from the 6th character. So how many texts did we want to, or character we want to extract from there? The alphabetical one, I think there are 2. So now 2. Good. Let's drag it down as well, so you can see. So the rightmost one, they are the last 3 digits number in the text. So to do that one is very simple. Go to right function. So we pick it the same way. So here the rightmost number we want to extract is 3. So close the bracket, you press enter, you can see. But one thing about this is that when you take note about this particular value, now you see that 075 is aligned to the left of the cell, so which to show that it's a text, not really a number. So now to take this one to be a number, just add 0 to it and you are done. It's very simple. So let me just leave it that way so that you understand. But what I'm trying to show you there is that to convert this particular number to text to number is very simple. Just add 0 to the formula. That's it. Plus 0 and press enter. You see it has turned to, you can see. So that is how to convert number to text to number. So another one again now is this. So now you can take a look at this. The very first one we have unique number. But here we are having something that is different. Now you have Musa. This I think is you have Musa, Lawal. Musa is 4 character. Lawal is 5. While Johnson is something entirely. So and we want to extract their year, the staff name, the year. And to do this one, we are going to make use of the search function. That's what that will make the work more easier for us. So why we're using search here is to get the number or to locate that particular spot where we have this hyphen. So we have to pick that one out. Let me search now. Okay, now is equals to search. So which text are we searching for? Remember, we are looking for what they are called a hyphen. Yes. Within this text, so that means it's telling us that it's in position 5. That is, Musa is 4 character, so this one is 5th. So, and what we really want to extract there is we want to extract Musa, so we want to extract a staff name. And the problem we're having there, each staff have different, their name character, the length of their name is vary. So that is why we are using string here. So now, having noticed having discovered where the hyphen is, all I need to do here now is for me to subtract 1. So to get back to what I want, so to know the last so now what I do here now is minus 1. So that give me 4. Yes. So now I can now make use of my left function. Left. Which text am I searching for? Yeah, this is. So starting from how many number am I looking for? You can see. So where I have this hyphen, and I can easily just move down and close the. Okay. Wow. This is extract Musa. I think you get what I really do there. So what I did is I search for the hyphen, I remove 1 to get to the last, then I now extract that one. Very simple. So let me repeat the same thing for this. You can see, wow, very interesting. So now, in order for us to extract here, all I will do, since I remove 1 from this hyphen to get what I have at to get the last character of the name, so I just need to add 1 to it here. Yes, to get the very first one of the very first location for the year. So very simple. Repeat the same process. You will search. What are we looking for? The same hyphen. Now looking for a hyphen within which text, within this particular cell. So that is what I really want. So that will give me but here I'm going to add 1 to it, so that will show me the location. Good. So it's 6. So that is where I'm going to start my made function. So now to do this, double click here. Now come back to this place, insert made function. So which text are we looking for? This particular text. Yeah, where am I going to start? This has already done it for me. How many number? Our character is 4 per year, so I'm gonna have 4. Those. Wow. You can see. Very simple. I think you get what I did here. So as you search to locate the hyphen, then add 1 to it. Since not here is the next to that, then having done that, then that gives me the location where my middle extraction will start. So having know that, then I have the length, which is unique here, 4. So that's why I don't have much problem with that one. So this one is very simple. Still the same way. Right. I'm not going to use hyphen this time around since they are unique. 3. Yeah. Good. This is ICT department. So it has really shown us that, okay, who owns this kind of company code is Musa by name. He joined the company in 2012 and is in the ICT department. Lawal is the name of this staff. He joined in 2009 and is in the engineering department. Very simple and straightforward. I think this video helped a lot. So you can subscribe to our blog or visit our blog today to know more about the productivity tip we are dishing out there. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.